DIYers, I love two things. I love eating and I love beads. However, I do not love eating beads. Does that make sense? Well, today on Make Your Mark, I am marrying two of my favorite things, eating and beads, and creating some seriously funky beaded silverware. Now I'm using aluminum wire and gorgeous glass beads from John Bead and some inexpensive silverware that I picked up at the dollar store. You are gonna love this project and it's a great gift idea. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just wanna say hi. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some beaded silverware. The invention of stainless steel in 1913 eventually made a wide variety of eating utensils available to households of modest means. Stainless steel does not rust, so it's perfect for this aluminum wire project. Aluminum is the most abundant metal on Earth and one of the cheapest to buy, but when it was first discovered, it was more valuable than gold. Believe it or not, you can wash these utensils since aluminum does not rust. Rusting is a form of corrosion that is specific to iron and steel. Glass beads were first created about 3,500 years ago in Egypt and Mesopotamia, and ever since, glass bead designs and bead making techniques have grown increasingly complex. I'd love to hear from you in the comments, even if it's just to tell me what your favorite meal is. I'm gonna leave a link to John Bead and everything I used for this video in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this project, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like them. I'm gonna leave a link below to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.